This is my EECS final project. So on my Grove board, which is connected to my MOSFET in D2, and the MOSFET is connected to the water pump and the moisture sensor. So depending on the value, then the moisture sensor will return to the MOSFET and the board, and then my code and so on. Only then this will all function. So the pump turning on and off depends on what is the voltage that the moisture sensor has returned. So if it's a dry, the pump will turn on and make it wet. If it's wet, the pump will turn off. So I have set it threshold for 2.8 to 1.8. So my dry value is anything above 2.8 is a dry, anything below 1.8 is wet, and if-else statement. So if it's a dry value, it will turn on. If it's a wet value, the pump will turn off. And the pump turns on for 3 seconds, and then after 3 seconds there's a loop. It checks again the value if it's dry or wet, and iterates and so on. So right now my sensor is inside the wet plant, so it has a wet value right now. If I remove it, it should turn on because it's in dry air. There, it's on right now. And if I put it back, in the, it should turn off. But it should turn off.